Welcome to my Trip Vibe channel. Let's explore the breathtaking nature of Czechia together. This country, nestled in the heart of Europe, is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. From its enchanting forests to its serene lakes, Czechia offers a diverse range of natural beauty that will leave you in awe. If you're a nature lover, you need to add Czechia to your bucket list. Here's why. Picture this: lush forests, rolling hills, and serene lakes. Welcome to Czechia, where every corner reveals a new wonder. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping and the sight of mist rolling over the hills. It's a place where you can truly connect with nature, where nature's beauty is around every corner. The landscapes here are so diverse that you can go from dense forests to open meadows in just a short hike. Each path you take offers a unique experience, making every journey an adventure. From the towering sandstone cliffs of Bohemian Switzerland, which look like something out of a fantasy novel, to the deep gorges and lush valleys, this region is a paradise for hikers and photographers alike. To the pristine waters of Lipno Lake, where you can enjoy a peaceful day of boating or simply relax by the shore, taking in the stunning views. This country is a nature lover's paradise. The variety of landscapes means there's something for everyone. Whether you prefer the tranquility of a forest or the open expanses of a meadow, imagine hiking through the mystical Bohemian forest, a place steeped in legend and folklore. The dense woods and winding trails make it feel like you're stepping into another world, where every trail leads to a new discovery. You might stumble upon a hidden waterfall or a secluded glade, perfect for a quiet moment of reflection, or kayaking down the Vltava River, surrounded by breathtaking landscapes that change with every bend. The river winds through picturesque towns and lush countryside, offering a unique perspective on Czechia's natural beauty. That seems straight out of a fairy tale. The charming villages and ancient castles you pass along the way add to the magical atmosphere. And let's not forget the majestic Kokonos Mountains, the highest range in the country. These mountains are a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, perfect for both summer hikes and winter sports. In the summer, the trails offer stunning views and challenging climbs, while in the winter, the slopes are perfect for skiing and snowboarding. Whether you're an adventurer seeking thrills like rock climbing or mountain biking, or someone who just wants to unwind in nature, perhaps with a leisurely walk or a quiet picnic by a lake, Czechia has it all. The country's natural beauty is complemented by its rich cultural heritage, making it a perfect destination for a well-rounded trip. So pack your bags, bring your camera, and prepare to be amazed by the stunning landscapes and vibrant nature of Czechia, and get ready to create unforgettable memories. Whether you're capturing the perfect sunrise over a lake or simply enjoying the fresh air, Czechia offers endless opportunities for adventure and relaxation. Czechia's stunning landscapes are calling your name. Don't miss out on the chance to explore this incredible country. Subscribe to my Trip Vibe channel and press the bell icon for more traveling videos.